Hello everyone, Alex here from Porsche Centre Dublin, just presenting our lovely demonstrator model Porsche Panamera 4 e-hybrid. Here's the car in question. It's a 202 Dublin registered Porsche Panamera 4 e-hybrid, obviously. 2.9 V6 petrol engine in the front, then you have a battery in the rear. Range in the battery, you get about 40 kilometers. Realistic driving, so it's more so for city driving and traffic, and then obviously you can charge the battery as you go. I'll get to all that in a second. The car's finished in lovely jet black metallic paint. It's got the 21-inch design Porsche wheels, which are multi-spoke and gloss black, and they have lovely silver kind of surround around them. You have the lovely lime green brake calipers there. You got the PDSL Porsche dynamic light system there as well. At the front, so you've got LED lights, obviously LED fog lights at the bottom, front and rear parking sensors as well. Stunning car. E-hybrid badging there at the side. And obviously the green colour as well, which is nice. You've got paint protection film on the rear arches as well to protect from stone chips. Charging cover that side. This car currently has the wing up at the back, which can come up and down, so it's retractable boot lid spoiler. You got the Porsche badging there as well. You got the light strip across the back of the car, which is all LED as well, which looks really nice at night time. Panamera 4 badging there as well. Rear parking sensors, rear camera. Then you've got the 4 exhausts at the back as well. Looks a bit more aggressive. Good size boot in these cars as well. Have a look here. So it's all electronic. So it's obviously kind of a hatchback style boot, so you can fit in bicycles and golf clubs and shopping and suitcases. So plenty spacious for a family. Close the boot then, simply press that button there. Stunning car. Petrol cap cover that side. That's your other alloy wheel there as well. Quick look inside the car then. You got the lovely crayon and black leather interior as well, which is a nice option. You got the Bose surround sound system. Isofix fittings that side and the other side as well. This car is a 4-seater, so there's only 2 seats in the back. Plenty of leg room and plenty of headspace as well. So it's designed to be comfortable. Open the driver's door then, you're agreed with the Panamera 4 badging. Fully electric and memory adjustable seating as well, so you can save your seat settings there on the doors. Electric windows and mirrors as well. All your speakers and stuff there. Automatic lights, automatic wipers, obviously all that jazz. And then obviously you've got your driver's seat here, which is nice and comfortable. You also have the sunroof as well, which opens and closes for the front and the rear, which is a nice option. And then obviously the passenger seat's the same again. Leather armrest in the center, 2 cup holders. You got the Porsche steering wheel here. You got a 7-speed PDK dual clutch gearbox as well with this car. You can control the gears yourself with the paddle shifters on the steering wheel. You've got the cruise control there on the left, lights on the left, and then you got your wipers on the right, and then you got your sports chrono package as well, so you can control your different driving modes by the touch of the steering wheel. And then you've got your sports clock in the center. The car only has 519 kilometers in the car, but it is a service loan car, so the mileage will go up to a few thousand. And obviously you got your rev counter and digital speedometer there in the center, date, and obviously time display as well. Screen in the center then, you got sat nav, Bluetooth, radio, connect your phone to the car, play music, obviously all that jazz. You got dual climate control, heated seats, heated steering wheel as well, which is a nice option. And then obviously your front and rear demisters, electric parking brake, and your PDK gearbox, which is controlled right there, as well as all your ashtrays and stuff, and obviously your armrest there as well in the center. Stunning car inside and out. Definitely worth coming in and taking it for a drive. This car's only registered a few weeks. With new Porsches, they come with 3-year warranty from new. So whatever the remainder on the warranty is, it also comes obviously fully valid and cleaned as well, so the car will be 100%. It's quite clean right now. If you'd like to make an inquiry on this car, or obviously arrange a test drive to pop into us, give ourselves a call on 01235 3375, and you can ask for myself. Alex Collins is my name, and I'm senior sales here at Porsche Centre Dublin, and I'll happily look after you if you want to ask for myself. Hope you enjoyed the video tour, and have a nice day. Thanks very much. Cheers, take care.